The smell of salt is in my blood. My grandfather cultivated oysters right here. I'm happiest in life when I'm on the water. I'm absolutely in love with it. I'm Matthew Mayfield with Eagle Point Oyster Company, Ocean Springs, Mississippi. You look at the influence from the Mississippi, you look at Back Bay pushing in, the influence of the Pascagoula. When all that stuff comes together with the nutrients that are here every summer, our oysters taste different. They're sweet, they're buttery, they're absolutely delicious.
It was before my time, but the Biloxi area was the seafood capital of the world. And they went out there early and then they worked until they got their limit, the old way. Over time, the oyster industry has been knocked down from these natural disasters that wiped out the population. Hurricane Katrina physically removed the oysters from the reefs, and they were all up on the highway. The oil spill closed all the fishery. Another thing that killed the oysters was the opening of the Bonnet Carrot spillway.
We're not only trying to help reestablish the oyster fishery itself, but we want to get Mississippi back on the map in terms of oyster production.
Our oysters grow in floating cages, and that's why it's called off-bottom aquaculture. We grow out oyster seed in a nursery system. We have little under 1 million oysters in the water.
Spire's strong signal is what keeps us in business. We can't afford to have spotty, weak signals the way we operate.
It's important for us to have strong, reliable service on the water, not only for us to be able to get our harvest records in on time, being able to be in touch with each other 24/7, especially when you're growing live animals, is vital for us in our process. Being able to communicate with our customers on the water and saying, hey, we're coming to the dock. It's great to have a line of customers already here at the dock waiting for us and hand them off the best possible oyster we can out of the Mississippi Sound.
We've got this perfect oyster that's been growing behind Deer Island. It can't taste like that anywhere else in the Gulf. So we hit the jackpot. Every day that I get to be on the water in an oyster boat is new. You never know what you're gonna see. And it's spectacular and special to me. It's something I don't think I'll ever get tired of.